In this video, you will learn how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. First, open TikTok and find you may like video. Scroll until you see a suggested video labeled you may like. Press and hold the video. This will open a menu of options. Tap not interested. This tells TikTok and will stop showing similar content. Tap more. Choose a reason such as I've already seen this or I'm not interested. Clear your watch history. Go to your profile, then the three lines, then click Settings and Privacy, Activity Center, Watch History, then click Clear History. Filter unwanted keywords. Go to Settings and Privacy, Content Preference, Video Filter Keywords. Then add keywords or topics that you do not want to see. Now you know how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.